So this exercise is the prone leg extension, and we're going to do this on the ground because it's actually more than a leg extension. We're working the whole system and what the arm does, what the trunk does, and even what the pelvis does. So I'm going to show you this and kind of walk you through what we're going to do. So in this position, and I'm going to tilt this down just a bit more. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to be in this position. So the prone leg reach is this, but there's a couple of nuances to this. Number one, when I extend, I'll extend my left leg now. I'm extending about 6 inches up in the air, but I'm lifting this pelvis right here, this little bony chunk here, about 1 inch or 2. And that's really important because that's this whole body push-off, as opposed to if I'm passive here and I only lift here. I'm letting that collapse. Meanwhile, I'm actually going to use this arm by pushing into it, as if I'm almost, and I could almost even do this in a plank position as well. I'm pushing this elbow into the ground. So in this position, I'll put that elbow here, and now that elbow pushing helps that leg. And what that does, that's the whole body push off, and this is going to work on your forward arm swing. Meanwhile, what we then do to add is I'm going to put this arm as a rearward swinging back here. So as this leg goes behind, this shoulder also and this elbow is going behind and up to the ceiling. Lastly, and what you can't really see, I'm going to push this thigh into the ground. And I could do that with a bent knee, but I'm not going to. So now we have this whole body push off. This lifts, this pushes, this lifts. That's your exercise. Prone leg reach, you could do it for 1 to 3 seconds. You want to feel the glutes burn. Like I said, you want to lift the leg about 6 inches off the ground, the pelvis about 1 inch, and each arm is doing something.